Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas 2020 and it may be a little bit different or a lot bit different than we all thought it was gonna be, but we are here and we made it, and I'm super glad that you guys clicked on today's video to join me for day 12 of my 12 days of Christmas special here on my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be recreating, following a natural hair TikTok tutorial style type of video. I picked one that I knew that I could do, but I have not done before. So that's what today's video is going to be. I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit. I have on my Rick and Morty Christmas sweater. My second year in a row wearing this on Christmas, and I just feel really grateful and in a good mood and happy to be here at day 12, the final day of Kinksmas. It's Christmas Eve night right now and my neighbors are living their best life, you know, so if you guys hear any sounds, that's what that is. Can't do nothing about that. So let's just start the video. I'm gonna put the TikTok on the screen right now. I'll put it right here so you guys can check out what she did. Easy high bun with a side part and like some gel down sides. I think I can definitely do that. I've been looking for the past 15 minutes for those clips that she used. Can't find them. So we're just going to use what I did find. So we'll get to that part when we get to that part. I'm going to go ahead, shake out my hair, part down the middle perfectly. As perfect as I can, because if you're new here, these types of styles are not my specialty, but I do think it's fun to see new stuff and see what's like, you know, what's popular and what's been working for people. That's as straight as I could get this part. So it seems like she took a pretty big chunk of hair for these little side bang things. So I'm gonna do the same, and I'm gonna leave this much to be put up. So let me just twist it and get it out of the way. I'm just using my fingers for this part because I think this part is not that, doesn't have to be that perfectly straight because you're not gonna be able to see it, I think. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Hopefully this part doesn't need to be straight. I think the only part that needs to be straight is this little, you know, the frontal part especially. So then I'm gonna pull up together the rest of my hair and create a bun. I'm gonna make it kind of tight. This is a fresh twist out, so my hair is pretty separated and stretched already, so I don't actually have to do too much to smooth it. You see, it's pretty smooth. I could do one more. They're popping fireworks. My neighbors are popping fireworks right now. What time is it? It's like 10 o'clock. So I'm just gonna make a little bun. I'm gonna try to make it kind of tall. So I'm gonna take one half of it and wrap it around. And that already makes it kind of stick up a little bit higher. And I'm just gonna like tuck it under like this. I think that's cute. So now I have this section to smooth down, and I already have in front of me the Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel, and I'm going to just apply a little bit to smooth this section down. The last time I did this type of video, I think that I was so stressed because, I don't know, I was so stressed to get everything perfect, where this one, I feel like it's simple enough that I can do it without stress, but we'll have to just wait and see what happens, right? take my edge brush and just brush it down, work the gel in. And yeah, the hair basically covers up this part, so you can't even see that it's not really a straight part. If you watched my last recreation video, you know that putting the hair back here, like tucking it and pinning it, was so strange for me. I felt like I didn't understand how they did it, but that's okay. I have one of these types of clips, so I'm gonna use it back here. Definitely could be tighter, but I think for now it's okay. I could just go back and, I don't know, make it tighter. Gonna add some more gel so it could have some shine and sleek. Definitely not putting a lot of gel though. Doing styles like this on freshly moisturized and like, I don't know, detangled hair like my twist out right now, it's also so much easier than it was last time. Because I was using old hair and it was definitely a lot harder to work with. My bun could be higher, I think. I don't know. So I'm gonna add some edge control, and this one is the Design Essentials edge control. And I'm gonna focus it on the front. Readjust and repin this back section. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I'm not gonna do any kind of baby hairs or anything like that because she didn't really have that in her video, and obviously the pins that she put, you know, didn't require baby hairs. That's my point. This is gonna be a look. This is gonna be a look. I'm excited now. I hope you guys have been enjoying Kinksmas. It's been a lot of work and I'm happy that it's over. But I've really been having fun making videos and interacting with you guys every single day. It shows me that I can definitely be more consistent. Like, I post twice a week regularly, but I could definitely up it to 3 times a week in the new year. That's my goal. To give you guys more content. The more you upload, the better it is for your channel. If you're trying to create content, just an FYI, the more frequently you upload, the better it is. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, putting a clip back here. And then I'm tucking the ends of the other side underneath this side and then smoothing these ends on this side. Something that I realized is putting the clip directly behind the ear on each side is gonna give you a more sleeker or more tighter hold, it seems. At least for my hair. When I try to bring the pin or the clip back more, it loosens its grip a lot. This part is definitely not perfect, but that is no surprise to me. So I'm just gonna keep on moving. I'm not even gonna pay that any attention. Adding some edge control just right here to get the front, very front to lay. Yesterday, or day before yesterday, I uploaded a TikTok growth hacks video that I was like not here for, but for most of them. But I think for quick styles and easy to follow styles, TikTok is the GOAT, because now I'm really like, this was a quick style that I found on there, you know? I feel like my comb isn't thin enough to get this. So that was bothering me. So I just wanted to switch it over. And now it looks a lot better. All right, so I just did some tweaking and sleeking and making sure everything was to my liking. It's definitely not perfect, but I think it looks really good. So the back is definitely a little janky, but the front is looking cute. And now I'm gonna use these like gold clips that I also found in my drawer that don't look the best. They don't look great, but they'll get the job done. And I'm just gonna use them on this hairstyle. I'm gonna do 2 right here. That's cute, and you can barely tell that the clips are very old and should not be being used. That's okay. I'm gonna touch up with some edge control because I didn't even put a scarf on yet. I think because my hair is freshly washed, it's really behaving quite well and being really easily manipulated. So I didn't have to do too much in today's video. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. I'm excited because I struggled so much last time doing that style. I'll put the video up in the cards. It's a little eye right there. It'll pop up and you can watch if you're interested in the last TikTok recreation that I did. This one was super easy and quick, and I think it's really cute. So if you watch this on Christmas morning Christmas morning, and you need a quick style to bring to the dinner table or just a quick style to sit on your couch or whatever the case is, open presents. So now it's time to talk about the giveaway. I recorded and uploaded 12 videos in the past 12 days and I feel very accomplished. I did this last year as well, but I feel like this year I really put a lot of thought and effort into what I was putting out for you guys. So with that being said, I'm ending off the Kinksmas series with a giveaway. All you have to do is comment down below your favorite Kinksmas video. I will have the playlist linked down below and up here in the cards if you are interested to check and see that you watched all 12. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And next to that comment, just leave your @name for Instagram or your email address, whichever you would prefer, so I can contact you if you're the winner. That's it. Give the video a thumbs up, be a subscriber, turn on post notifications, and then just let me know which Kinksmas video was your favorite. Leave me a way to contact you via Instagram or email, and that's it. I'm gonna let the giveaway run until December 31st, so I will be picking a winner in about 6 days, and yeah, that's it. I will post on my community tab who the winner is, and I will also contact them when the time comes. And in terms of what I'm gonna give away, it's gonna be some hair products, an assortment of hair products. I have a lot of new things here that I have not opened or used or anything like that, so I'm gonna just put some stuff in a box and ship it to the winner. And I'll probably put more details like what I'm shipping and stuff like that on my Instagram story, so follow me over there if you are not already at KandidKinks. And yeah, video done, video lock off. Kinksmas is done. Kinksmas is finished. Thank you guys so much for joining me with this series. I had a blast and I'm gonna get some much needed rest from the internet after I finish uploading this video. So yeah, let me know what you think of my hair. I think I bodied it. I'm gonna come closer, give you guys a little bit of a better look at it. Don't judge it because you guys know I'm far from a perfectionist and I'm far from a stylist. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one, which will probably be in about a week. Okay, bye guys. Okay, sleek style.